gym. Got a ASSA Max Plus restricted here. This is a 6-pin lock with barrel drivers, so it's basically an ASSA 600. Alright. We're going to pick this for Norlin's 400 subscriber giveaway. You guys make sure to go show Norlin some love. If you aren't a subscriber, you're definitely missing out. He's one of the best pickers in lock sport, in my opinion. And he definitely needs more support. But Norlin, or Michael Gilchrist, as his YouTube channel's name is, the guy picks high security locks like they're nothing, and does a great job of explaining them. So you guys make sure to go subscribe. Get enough lift on that. And I was literally using Michael Gilchrist or Norlin's jiggle testing method on that pin. He's got a great tutorial about how he does jiggle testing. We're getting some nice core movement on this one. This is a brand new lock, so the milling's nice and sharp. Hopefully I can get this thing picked in a reasonable amount of time. I feel like I'm very close. I got some more core movement there, and the lock's open. Right. He didn't say anything about gutting, but we'll gut it anyway. We'll make a mess. Stick the lock there. Alright. Frame, all that good stuff, you know what I do. Alright, let's lock it back up since we got the key. Nice red Loctite on there. Is this the right one? Nope. Alright. Six, 5, 4, 3. Come on. Of course you did that. 2 and 1. And you guys can see all that nice, sharp, brand new counter milling in there. We were trying to push these barrel spools through that I'm about to show you guys now. Let's see if you guys can. So these catch nicely in that milling if you guys haven't seen. And of course I can't get it to snag good, but you heard all the clicks and pops. So alright, this is just all barrel spools and they're matched to balance the pin stacks. And what that means, if you have a short key pin, you'll have a long driver, and vice versa. Just grab this last one out the back. And we're not going to worry about springs. We all know what they look like. And I said you got the barrel drivers and all standard key pins and matched counter milling. So there's the ASSA Max Plus Restricted. Go make sure to check out Michael Gilchrist's YouTube channel, Norlin 400 subscriber giveaway. And also thanks to Dr. Hogmaster for the lock. And if you guys get a chance, congratulate him on his black belt. He just earned it. Alright, have a good one.